let's get warmed up by seeing what sort of sounds we can make just using our bodies. So first, let's start with a stomp. You go. My turn. Your turn. Your turn. Now we go 1, 2, 3, and you. 1. All right, and if you can't snap yet, you can just rub your fingers together and get just a little bit of sound there. It will work just fine too. So we can go snap, snap, clap, clap, swish. Nice. Okay, what other sounds can we make? We could do a really gentle on our cheeks. Nice and gentle now, don't get me in trouble. Let's try it again. Nice. Can you pat your shoulders like this? Awesome. Now work with a friend and see what other sounds can you make just using your body.